We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the video encryption for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first, you will need to open the IPC360 app, then select the Devices section, find the camera you would like to manage the encryption for, then go into its settings. Let me increase the screen brightness so you will see better. Now open this ONVIF section, and long story short, if this option is switched off like it is now, the encryption is active, it is enabled. If you would like to disable the video encryption, switch this toggle on. And here you can also set up the manual IP address for its routing and what's not, but that's the topic for another video. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.